Hi guys, this is Reshma. So guys, to solve this question, let's start with the equation of a line. So as you know, equation of a line can be written as mx plus y is equal to mx plus b, right? Where m is the slope, right? Sorry, slope m is the slope. So what will okay? So we are given the equation of the tangent, right? What is the equation of tangent? Is 4x minus 5. So guys, if you compare the first and second equation, you can see that the value of m is 4, right? Here, okay, and we can say that b is, we can write b as minus 5. Cool. So continuing, now the equation of the curve given is y square a x cube plus b. Okay guys, this b and this b is different. Let me mark it as b dash. Okay, let's not confuse that. It's b dash. B dash is just the point of intersection of the tangent, right, with the axis. Okay, so with the y-axis particularly, so the value of x is 0. Okay, continuing, let's differentiate this equation of the curve. So it will be twice y dy by dx, 3 times of a x to the power square, right? Solve. So guys, because b is a constant, so after, like, when we differentiate it, its value will be 0, so I didn't write it. So guys, before we proceed, as you can see here, m what is this? It is a slope, right? So it is basically 4. Okay, and we are given a point that is 2 and 3, right? So at 2, 3, equation can be written as 2 so at 2, 3, equation can be written as y value is 3, right? This is 3. Okay, equation, the dy by dx is 4, and a we need to find 3 as it is, right? 3 and a as it is, and the value of x, guys, that is 2, right? Here 2, so it will be 2 square. Okay, so what all can we cancel from this side? 3 and 3, we can divide from both sides. If we divide from both sides, right, 3, and then 4 also, 2 square is 4 and 4, so basically we can divide both sides by 12. So we'll get the value of a as a is 2. Okay, so guys, when we substitute it on, like, substitute it here for the equation of the curve, what we'll get, guys? We can get the value of b, right? We need to find the value of both a and b. So continuing, let's try that. Y square is equal to a x cube plus b. So at the point 2, 3 again, let's put the value of y is 3, a is 2, and x cube is x is 2, right? So 2 cube plus b. Guys, I'll repeat again. The value of y as 3 came from here, right? At the point 2, 3. Okay, so from here only we have put the value of x and y. Continuing, so this will be 9. It will be 8 into 2 is 16 plus b. Okay, so b will be, guys, 9 minus 16, that is 7, right? Minus 7. So b is minus 7. Thus the value of a is 2 and b is minus 7. Thank you.